Alright. So yeah, hi guys, today is April 10th and today I studied VRC and DILR. Mainly in VRC, I studied how to read an RC. Previously, I studied how to read and comprehend an paragraph in an RC. So today, in general, I read everything like how to read and interpret or comprehend an RC. So basically, there are two types of RCs. One is opinion based, where the author gives his opinion on a particular topic. They might twist it, but the author gives his opinion. The other one is fact based RC, where the author is not giving his opinion, he's just stating facts straight up. Yeah, that's that. And how to read it? It's like we should first read and then we should retain, and the next, if necessary, we should recall it after reading the questions. So the first is like while we are reading, we should structurize it. Like for every paragraph, when we are reading each para, we should summarize the para and only retain the key points of that para. It's better to write it down of every para, the key points and what we understood by that. And that's that. After that, we should see the connections with each para. Connection of first para to second, second to third, fourth to fifth. And by doing that also we will understand what's the main motive of that RC, like what's the main crux the author is trying to say. Yeah. By doing that, for each para we should do that and we should retain information, and it will help us in solving the questions. And finally, when solving the questions, we should also watch at the options. Like the authors will try to deceive us and trick us to like select the wrong options, so we should be aware about that. And if that is nothing like we should do it fast or like this or that, we should read the RC fast. We should just try to comprehend the RC as good as possible. We should interpret it as good as possible. Yeah, that's my 2 cents of gyan about RC. Yeah, I will keep giving that in the upcoming videos. And about DLR, what I did today was I gave 2 tests for sitting arrangement and circular arrangement. Planning to start matrix arrangement from tomorrow. Yeah, and now in the evening I will just do a few quant based questions, variations. I will revise it and do a couple of questions from variations. Yeah, and I will update you guys in the upcoming videos, guys. Okay, guys, see you. Bye bye.